What's up, ATC fam? Here we are, out on the lake behind us. It's a kayaking lake. We're meeting Zach here, who you've seen before, I think. We're taking, wow, the kayak out. He just got a new Hobie. I think it's an Outback. So this will be his first time on the water. I'm glad I get to be a part of it. Should be a good time. Unique lake. There's smallmouth and perch. Yellow perch, which is unique to Nebraska. We don't have a lot of that around here. Real small lake, kayaks only. Wind's gonna be really strong today. It's supposed to be really hot, like 100 degrees with 20-mile-an-hour constant winds, like 30 to 40-mile-an-hour gusts. So it should be a fun one, but the lake's pretty protected. It's kind of down in the like valley, so should not be too bad, but we'll see you on the water.
Howdy.
What's up, bud?
You gotta promise me one thing. You gotta promise you're not gonna get mad at me.
What happened? I'm not gonna get mad at you. How do I get mad at you?
My thought is, we wanna bail out of here now. We can, or we can give it an hour. You tell me.
Shoot, water. When else do we get the chance to do that?
Well,
like,
now,
do you get it often?
hey, now that I have this, we can go whenever.
Let's just go. What do you think?
You tell me.
Let's just go.
Hey, there's something there.
What did you say?
There's something there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I kind of.
It was weird though, when I looked at it, I forgot how small those decks are on trackers.
Oh, they're teeny.
Narrow.
Yes. God, I can't believe that one got off. That's annoying.
Oh, I just like it.
You did?
Especially sitting down, you don't have to leverage.
Oh, they took me so long. Wonder if I can, I'll stand up. Like, let's see if I can do it right now. Oh, yeah. See? It's not bad.
Right here, I touched the bottom, I fell in.
Yeah, there you go. Not a good day for standing up, though. Oh, there's one. Holy crap, he feels kind of big. Are you kidding me? It's a drum.
They have drum here?
Apparently. That's got to be some sort of joke. Like, are you for real right now? A freaking drum?
They have like 200-pound buffalo or whatever that thing is.
And they stocked those?
No, I don't think they stocked them. I think they just got into them.
Oh.
Dude, last time I went up to Okoboji, blew both trailer tires at the same time. Both of them.
How bad? Were they
I had to
old?
run something over.
Oh, yeah, I was
They
gonna say.
popped at the same time.
Yeah, there's no way they just blew at the same
Yeah. So I had to, it was like 5 o'clock on a Friday. Had to hire a,
Like
I got one.
You got one?
Yep. Ooh, it's
Good one?
better.
What is it?
I don't know.
Largemouth?
It's pull and drag.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what the hell is
I
that?
just saw it.
What is it?
Dude, I don't know. Oh, it's a largemouth.
Is it a good one?
It's a good one.
All right, let's get it on camera. You're on. You're on film, Zach. Are you prepared for this?
I don't know. That's a good one.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, that is a good one. Look at that. Hell of a first fish to christen the kayak with.
That's a good one.
You have a scale?
Nothing.
Here, I've got a bump board. You want to use that?
Dude, nice. You know what's weird? As I saw something swell on my boat, because I
Yeah.
like ripped it out of the grass, and I just kept reeling. I was like, "Gee, there's so much grass on here."
Here. Slap her on that guy.
Mouth is open. But the mouth open, 19.5.
Holy shit.
It's a long one.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Dang.
You got your phone or is it?
Yeah, I got it. I
I want to take a picture and show Haley's dad.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, this is the best one I've caught in probably 3 years.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Got it.
That big?
Yeah. That's a good one, dude.
Imagine if it was really big.
What?
Probably all of 3. It's skinny though.
I bet that's 4.
Hmm?
Well, pushing 4. Closer to 4 than it is 3.
That's a good one.
Man,
I love this clear water watching go.
he kind of had a dirt mouth. That was a good one, Bart.
That was.
Nice
That one
work.
dragged, too.
Hey.
Can-
Now- Yeah, swim jig probably would be the deal right here.
And, he's too stubborn to.
Me too.
You know, have him sitting right here.
There's one. Oh my god, dude, they're good ones.
That's a good one too.
Yeah. Not as big as yours, but not a bad one. Jeez. Yeah, dude. Ugh. They're mean ones. They're healthy. Their mouths are so damn thick. Look at that one. Check that out. Look how fat.
That's a good one.
They're healthy ones. See you, buddy. This is wild.
Yeah.
Like, these are some of the strongest winds I think I've fished in ever.
I think so too for me.
Yeah. All right. Why does it keep doing this?
Your rudder's turned that way.
Oh. Yeah, that'll probably do it.
I'm literally just turning the rudder. That's all I'm doing.
That's what I should be doing. Smarter, not harder. All right, OTC fam, off the water, headed back. That was a heck of a day. The wind was like gale force winds, but Zach and I bared through it. We actually ended up going to a private lake, which I've been wanting to get on for a long time. So we nixed the plan initially to go to the other lake, but the wind we went out in was wild. But it was worth it because Zach got probably, I think it was probably a 4-pounder, 19.5 inches. I caught one, I had one come off that was probably 3, and then caught one that was probably 2.5. Really good lake. We marked a ton of fish, but the wind was so bad. As you saw in the video, it was just hard for us to get around and even be safe. Like, we just had to get off the water because it was just getting too sporty out there. So, but overall, pretty fun day. I'm hoping we'll be able to get back out there, Zach and I, but we shall see. That was a great time, even with the wind. It was good to get out with Zach on his kayak. Got to see his maiden voyage, and I think he's gonna keep it, so that's a good sign. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. We'll do more in the future. Keep pumping them out. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.